What's up, y'all? I'm Ian Henderson, one of the 2020 Monarch Golf captains.
What up, y'all? It's Garrett Myers, one of your Mo High Golf captains. Just kind of a replay of our season, as our season, high school golf is kind of, boys high school golf is kind of winding down. To start off, two of our players won a tournament. Talon Grover and Caleb Michaels won the Broadlands tournament. That was kind of the first tournament. It was huge for them. Big confidence builder, kind of knocked off the rust for the season to come. From there, we were pretty consistent. We got second in the Front Range League, which is very huge because there's some very good teams in the Front Range League, and the Front Range League is one of the better conferences in the state for golf, probably top two, if not the best. From then, as a young team, it was kind of huge for the young guys to pick up where we kind of left off last year. We're heading the right direction, and it was huge for the young guys to pick it up and start where we left off last year. So we're heading the right direction. As you're probably seeing this video, 4 guys: Ian Henderson, who's a junior, Caleb Michaels, who's a sophomore, and 2 freshmen, Talon Grover and Jackson Harberts, are competing in regionals right now, trying to get to state. Be a huge accomplishment for the team and for the school, because it's not really heard of for a team to get in. So if you guys know any of those guys, please wish them luck. Coach Finley's the coach. If you know him, send him some good luck vibes. And let's hope those guys can get in. Other than that, Skoyotes.
Hey, it's Drake. I'd just like to give a shout out to all the boys on the golf team this year. We had 18 of us. We all vastly improved and had a really good season. Wish luck to Ian, Jackson, Talon, and Caleb today at regionals. Hope they can do well. Maybe we can get to states and put up a banner.